Here's an example. Let's find the area of the region bounded by the curves x plus y equals 0 and x equals y squared plus 3y. The first thing you should always do is graph the curves. X plus y equals 0 is this diagonal line, and x equals y squared plus 3y is a sideways parabola, something like this. Okay, now you'll notice that that graph isn't perfect, but it's good enough to get the idea. We can tell that the region we're looking to find is this region right here. I notice that if I take this region and split it into vertical slices, then I would have to split it into two pieces, because here the top of the region, the top of a slice, would be bounded by the parabola, and over here the top of a slice would be bounded by the line. It would also be tricky because I would have to solve this parabola equation for y in terms of x. So in this case, it's better to use horizontal slices, which means each slice has width delta y, and I need to find the y coordinates of these two intersection points in order to know the bounds for my integral. So I'm going to solve this equation for x in terms of y. To find the bounds, we're going to set the two equations equal to each other. So we have negative y equals y squared plus 3y. We're going to add y to both sides. So 0 equals y squared plus 4y. We can factor out the y. And then set each factor equal to 0. We get y equals 0, or y equals negative 4, which matches with our picture, right? This y value is 0, and this y value is negative 4. Okay, so now to find the area, we're going to set up our integral. We're going to integrate from negative 4 to 0, right? The bottom y value to the top y value. We're going to take the right curve, which is this straight line, which is x equals negative y. We're going to subtract the left curve, which is the parabola, which is x equals y squared plus 3y dy. Notice everything in here is y's because I'm integrating with respect to y. To finish this off, we're going to simplify our integrand. We have negative y squared minus 4y dy. Our antiderivative is negative 1/3 y to the third minus 2y squared. We're going to evaluate from negative 4 to 0. When we plug in 0, we get 0. And then we subtract. When we plug in negative 4, we get negative 1/3 times negative 4 to the third minus 2 times negative 4 squared. And overall, that gives us 32 thirds as our area.